it's my aloe vera. So, hitik na siya ng mga babies na dyan. But, one of these days, probably I'm gonna upload the benefits that we can get from aloe vera. So, I'm gonna let you know more or share about it. So, just watch out for that. And, ito na yung mga natanim ko. So, this is it. Wow, so may mga babies na siya. So, let me see. I got one. One. And then two. Let me see. Oh, there's another one right over here. Yay! So, I got 3 babies on my aloe vera. Wow, that's so nice. Really great na parang nabubuhayan ako ng mga aloe vera. So, ito na din yung onion springs that I planted a month and a half ago. Okay, there you go. Wow, there got so many leaves. Ayan. So, very fresh though if I'm gonna cut this and basically if ready na makat for of course sa ating mga lutuin. Of course, may fence siya. It's because it's for their protection. Okay, there you are. So, ito medyo maliit pa siya. Manipis yung mga dahon niya. Oh, may yellow pa siya. But anyway, I'm gonna trim that. Alright. It's a great feeling na lumalaki talaga yung mga at nabubuhay yung mga halaman ko.